Yes, dear friends, good evening to all of you. Yes, many aspirants are concerned, worried about multiple things. Maybe prelims you couldn't clear this time. Maybe this is your first attempt, maybe it is your second attempt or third attempt. Now you have many concerns. Yeah, one is most importantly financial struggle. Staying in the hostel, you have to pay the hostel fee or the expenses, food expenses or pocket money, etc. How can you ask to your parents? It's almost 1 year is over, 2 years is over. There is pressure from family, yeah, family and relatives. They are forcing you to get married or do some jobs, support your family. Then there is a fear, a psychological thing is there. Maybe you doubt yourself whether you can clear this exam or not. It has been 2 years, or it is 2 years or 3 years. You couldn't even clear the prelims, and there is a doubt whether I am competitive enough to clear this exam. You also feel like a competition is ever increasing competition level of UPSC. Every year by year, the competition increases. Sometimes age is a concern for you, number of attempts is a concern for you, health issues, mental and physical health issues are there. Sometimes we are in a kind of mental traumas, failed multiple times, failed whether I am fit. Sometimes you also feel that I don't have any entertainment in my life, any enjoyments in my life, I don't have any boyfriends, girlfriends, only preparation. Still I couldn't clear, so I am wasting my life. Some such kind of the feelings are there, a kind of exhausted feeling is there. And most importantly, maybe probably the biggest problem with the many aspirants who couldn't clear prelims after 2, 3, 4 attempts, they fear like this: wherever I go, even a marriage function or a friends get together or to a hotel or even a barber shop, I face the biggest problem, that is insultation. Everybody insult to me. They say better go for some other jobs. So what is the solution to all these problems? Guys, dear friends, there is only one solution, that is have faith in yourself. Anyone in this world, they achieve their ends, they achieve their dream goals simply because of the reason they had a confidence in themselves. You must have confidence in yourself. You must boost yourself. Doesn't matter how many attempts you given, what is your age, or what all others talk about you, or what all others insult about you. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. In some movies they say insult is the biggest investment. That's a reality. Okay, you just try to realize that you are here not to listen to what others talk about you, think about you. Okay, you are here to clear this examination, and if you want to achieve something bigger, sometimes it happens. I mean, you have to wait. I mean, sometimes you have to face the failures also. You must have that confidence and courage to face the failure, because failure is a stepping stone to success. I personally know there are many who cleared this exam in their final attempt. So maybe it is in your final attempt you clear, maybe it is in the fifth, sixth or seventh attempt you clear. So it doesn't matter. The most important thing is perseverance and consistency in preparation. Have faith in yourself, down faith in yourself. Okay, you started this, that is to achieve this, that is to turn this IAS dream to a reality. So you failed or you couldn't clear, that is not a big issue here. Maybe because of 2 marks or 3 marks you failed. Maybe because of certain small issues you failed or you couldn't clear. Doesn't matter. Try to find out. Try to find out what all the issues with your preparation. What all the weaknesses or shortcomings with your preparation. Try to find it out. Get to the support of your mentors and get it cleared, or maybe get the solutions to your issues. If your preparation is on the proper track and you are ready to, you are receptive enough to correct yourself. Sometimes your overconfidence, that it cheated you. Sometimes you are underconfidence, that is also maybe having no faith in yourself, that is also a problem. Okay, this examination definitely to test your personality, to test your, yeah, mental stamina. You prepared a lot, and in the final examination hall, in the final day, D-Day, you shiver because of the fear. You make lots of mistakes because of your fear. Then also the result will be negative. So how confidence in yourself and find out your issues. Issues can be multiple issues. Maybe the problem is with understanding the questions, or it is something which is related to recalling these concepts or facts, or it is something related to your CSAT, your arithmetics, mathematics, or it is related to comprehension, reasoning. What are the issues you have? Please find it out, rectify it. You have the support of the mentors. Get the support of the mentors. And if CSAT is your issue, I would say don't wait till January to start your CSAT. Right from now onwards, I would suggest you, right from now onwards, you start your CSAT. Okay, every day, at least 1 hour you can spend for your quantitative attitude practice, or your reasoning, or your comprehension practice. If current affairs is your tension, yes, of course, you have the compilations, you have the material, you have the multiple sources to cover current affairs. Start from now onwards. Practice the current affair questions. If the problem is with understanding the difficulty, understanding the pattern of UPSC questions, prelims questions, practice last 10 years questions right from now onwards. No issues. But I would say till this October, you have to prioritize your mains portions. Your GS papers you have to finish first. Your optional you have to finish first. You have to take n number of answer writings, feedbacks, and test for these GS papers. Make sure by at least by October you finish your GS papers and your optional paper, even essay also. At least every week you practice essay writing. Get it evaluated by your mentor. So GS papers, GS 1, 2, 3, 4 plus essay plus optional, you prioritize for these months at least till October. Try to finish it by October itself. Take the test. Make sure your mains portion is pakka safe. It is you write decent answers to questions, and your revision of the mains portion is done. Then at least from November itself, you can switch to a full-fledged prelims track. Start it early. May end is the exam. No, start it early. Okay, revise it multiple times. Every subject 4 to 5 times. Revise very nicely and give maximum number of the test. Last year also you might have done this mistake that last year also you done this mistake that you ignored the importance of the mock test. You may felt that in the last month I will take the mock test. Don't do that. Start it as early as possible. Okay, so no failures here. Nothing as a failure. Everything is every failure you treat it as an experiment, or it is a new opportunity to learn from your mistakes, or it is an opportunity to correct yourself. And don't sacrifice, don't give up this dream just because of the reason that others are insulting you, others are harassing you, or others are like making fun of you. The society is always like that. Society will only appreciate when you become successful. Okay, so if you couldn't achieve, or if you fail, obviously society will have lots of negative comments on you. Doesn't matter. It is always like that. But in that tribe also, group also, there are lots of people who encourage you. So make friendships, or maybe company with such a positive people with the positive vibes. And if somebody is saying negative, just don't get offended by that. Instead of that, take it constructively. That must be a constructive revenge. okay, or you feel that that is an inspiration for you to achieve your goal, you will definitely achieve it here. Okay, and also keep in the mind many toppers, they turned this dream to reality. Maybe it was in the final attempt, or it was in the fifth or sixth attempt. Okay, if you really wish to achieve something bigger, something precious, yes, there are sacrifices too. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. But don't sacrifice your health. Don't sacrifice that positivity, positive thinking. Do your best effort and you will achieve it. Because at the end of the day, every achiever, every great achiever was his or her own inspiration. Got it? Your hard work, your determination, okay, or the insults you hear in your surroundings, all will become your inspiration to achieve your dream goal. All the best. Wishing all the best. So just follow your routine, just follow your schedule and achieve it. All the best.